Today, AI is changing everything. From content creation to online business, people are using AI tools every single day. But the biggest problem is this. Most people still don't know which AI tool is actually best for writing powerful prompts and getting better results. So in this video, we're looking at the top 3 AI tools for writing better prompts. And honestly, all 3 tools are powerful, but each one works differently. First, let's talk about ChatGPT from OpenAI. This is currently one of the most popular AI tools in the world. People use it for writing content, generating ideas, making scripts, emails, marketing content, and much more. The reason so many creators love ChatGPT is because it's fast, simple, and very creative. It gives smooth responses and works great for beginners as well as professionals. If you create YouTube content, digital products, or online business content, ChatGPT can save a huge amount of time. Next, we have Claude from Anthropic. Claude is becoming very popular because of its clean and natural writing style. Many users prefer Claude for long writing tasks because the responses feel more organized and human-like. It's great for research, detailed content, business writing, and professional work. If you want calmer, cleaner, and more structured AI responses, Claude is definitely one of the best options right now. And finally, we have Gemini from Google. Gemini works especially well for users already connected to the Google ecosystem. Since it's powered by Google, it's useful for research, productivity, brainstorming ideas, and getting updated information quickly. The tool also integrates smoothly with Google services, making it very useful for daily online work. So which AI tool is the best? If you want creativity and fast content generation, ChatGPT is amazing. If you want professional and detailed writing, Claude is a strong choice. And if you want productivity with Google integration, Gemini is very useful. But at the end of the day, the real power is not just the AI tool, it's how smartly you use it. If you enjoyed this video, subscribe to Digital Product Hustle for more AI tools, digital product ideas, and online business content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.